Examine the domain diagram image. Assume all servers are up and running and you have just started an offline WLST interactive session. Assume further that the username/password WebLogic/welcome maps to a valid administrator. You type 2 lines of WLST code, connect WebLogic, welcome, host.acme.com, print cmo.get type plus cmo.get name which will be printed. Choose the best answer. Option A. Domain test domain. Option B. Domain runtime server 03. Option C. Server 03. Option D. Machine 02. Option E. Session WebLogic. The correct answer is option A. Review the diagram below. It depicts the following image. Assuming the next request for an HTTP session attribute is a new attribute that is not stored in a near cache, the client's session attribute is fetched from the remaining storage-enabled server and cluster. Option B. Why is the session attribute retrieved from this other server's cache? Choose the best answer. Option A. Coherence Web stores sessions in a distributed cache on the backend and the request fails over to the new location after partition rebalancing takes place. Option B. Coherence Web stores sessions in a replicated cache on the backend and the request fails over to the new location automatically. Option C. Coherence Web stores sessions in a shared disk cache on the backend and Coherence Web automatically load balances requests. Option D. Coherence Web stores sessions in a cache that is backed by a database cache loader. The data is fetched from the database and placed into the cache on the new server. The correct answer is option A. Your development team is considering several different types of new applications. You have been asked to advise them concerning which types can be deployed in WebLogic server leveraging the production redeployment feature. Which application deployment type is not supported for production redeployment? Choose the best answer. Option A. Enterprise applications, EAR, that contain a Coherence Grid Archive, GAR, module. Option B. Web service applications that are conversational or that use reliable messaging. Option C. Standalone Enterprise Java Bean, EJB, applications. Option D. Enterprise applications, EAR, that are accessed by inbound JMS messages. The correct answer is option A. Your developers have decided to use a deployment plan with their applications that will be deployed by WebLogic administrators into one or more WebLogic server production environments. Which two primary goals can be accomplished by leveraging a deployment plan? Choose 2. Option A. Expose the external resource requirements of the application, such as JNDI names of data sources. Option B. Expose additional configurable properties, such as tuning parameters. Option C. Expose the targeted servers for deployment. Option D. Expose the specific Java EE modules within the application, such as EJBs. Option E. Expose access points into the application, such as a WSDL for web services. The correct answer is option A, B.